Well, it's that time of the year where we do our cross-country ride, and we've got about 650 kilometers of the Northern Emirates to cover. We're at the top of Jebel Jais, breakfast time,
like next to my village
with everybody.
Really happy with
And all our bikes parked behind us. Now the question is, why did we park the bikes behind us? Simple. Shade. It's pretty hot out there, and it is really cool in the shade, so that's what we're doing. So we just had breakfast, and unfortunately I forgot to show you guys the breakfast because we were so hungry, but that's what's left of it.
very good.
Sorry. I promise I will show you guys lunch when we have lunch, because we're going to a really cool place called Korfakan restaurant. So yeah, that's the plan. Sorry, my bad. I apologize again for not showing you guys the breakfast that we had, but we were just so hungry that we didn't have a chance. The moment the food showed up, we devoured it. But stay tuned, because coming up, we are going to take you guys back down the mountain for lunch to the Corfacon restaurant, and that is a place we absolutely love because the food is amazing. So thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.